Hi everybody, today I'm making a traditional Portuguese dish that you can find in any bakery or coffee shop in Portugal. It is called Guardanapos, which means napkins in English, due to its shape. Now my sister is going to make the sponge cake. The sponge cake in Portuguese is called pão de ló, and it's very fluffy. This is so easy. You only need 3 ingredients: 6 eggs, sugar, and flour. Shh! This is the secret. You have to whisk the sugar and the 6 eggs for 5 minutes. I'm tired! Mom! It's looking nice! This is the best part of the cake. Now for the best part. Daddy can have the coffee. Don't forget to subscribe.